Welcome back, everyone. You're watching ITMaster, your go-to channel for tech tutorials and the future of digital creation. Today, we're exploring a fascinating topic, the future of web development with no code. Imagine building a fully functional website without writing a single line of code. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's quickly becoming the new reality. So, let's dive in and discover how no-code is transforming the way we build online experiences. 1. The developer's dilemma. Traditionally, web development has been slow, expensive, and code-heavy. Learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks takes years. Building from scratch can take months, and only specialized developers can handle it. Meanwhile, the demand for digital solutions keeps growing. Businesses, startups, and individuals all need apps, websites, and automation. But the number of skilled developers simply can't keep up. This gap creates frustration, where innovation meets limitation. 2. No-code's revolution, empowering everyone. Here's where no-code comes in. No-code platforms break down the barriers, allowing business owners, designers, and entrepreneurs to build websites and apps visually. Key benefits include speed, build in hours instead of months. Affordability, lower costs, no big dev team needed. Accessibility, anyone with an idea can bring it to life. Examples of popular no-code tools include Webflow, Bubble, Wix, Squarespace, Airtable, and Notion. And yes, real businesses are already succeeding with these tools. For example, Coins, a fintech startup, built its platform on Bubble and raised millions, all without a traditional developer team. 3. The synergistic future, code plus no code together. Now, is no code replacing coding? Not at all. The future is synergy. Use no code for front-end and prototyping. Use code for advanced back-end logic and scalability. And explore low code as the bridge between them, allowing small bits of code to customize no-code platforms. This new approach creates citizen developers, non-tech creators working hand-in-hand with professional coders. 4. Beyond websites, no-code's expanding universe. No-code is not just about websites anymore. Internal tools and automation, platforms like Zapier and Make streamline workflows. Mobile apps, tools like Adalo and Glide allow anyone to create apps from spreadsheets. AI integration, no-code platforms now connect with AI, making it easy for anyone to use advanced machine learning. 5. Navigating the new web development landscape. If you want to thrive in this new world, focus on 3 essential skills. Problem solving, know the problem your app is solving. Business logic, understand user needs and workflows. Platform knowledge, learn which no-code tools fit your project. When choosing a no-code platform, look for scalability, cost-effectiveness, and integrations. And most importantly, embrace continuous learning, because this field evolves rapidly. The future of web development is not just about coding anymore, it's about creativity and accessibility. No-code empowers anyone to build, and when combined with coding, it unlocks even greater possibilities. So whether you're a developer, entrepreneur, or designer, no-code is your next step into the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest tech insights from ITMaster. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.